How to fix Steam can't add or find friends. In order to fix this issue, what you want to do is head over to any of the web browser and then move into the site steam.com. It will be landing you on this official page of Steam. In here, first of all make sure that you enter your login credential as in your username and the password and then log into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will be landing you on this page. Now what you want to do is tap on friends at the top left corner of the screen and then head over to add a friend. Over here you have to make sure that your Steam profile has already been made. Once you have completed the Steam profile, you will see the interface something like this. In this page you will be able to see your profile link. All you want to do is tap on copy and then copy this link. Once the link has been copied, then you will need to send this link to the person that you want to add. Once they click and visit this link, that person with the Steam account will be added to your account. You also have to make sure that your Steam avatar has already been made. Avatar is necessary to add your friends on Steam. Also, you have to make sure that your account is set to public. That way, other people will be able to see your profile and add you. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Steam can't add or find friends. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.